ikaw. Siyempre, nailang ako.
So, inaamin mo, crush mo si Edward.
Sige na nga!
Relax.
Edward, pupunta ka sa eviction room.
At nang papunta na si Edward sa lie detector testing area,
Ba't ganon? Yung mga gusto natin, hindi natin alam. Natatakot ako masakit.
kung si Maymay takot sa nararamdaman, si Edward naman tensyonado ng sumalang sa lie detector test. Damaya, ipinarinig ni Kuya sa loob ng bahay ang mga tinatanong pero hindi ang sagot ng nakasalang na housemate. Next question. Edward, nagagandahan ka ba kay Maymay? Do you find Maymay beautiful?
School to. Uy! Masisinungaling yun. Ako maganda. Kumira ko na siya sa pagsagot.
Yes.
Let's wait for the result. Physically, are you attracted to her?
Yeah, she's very beautiful. Inside and out.
What's the best thing about Maymay?
If you go to a fancy restaurant and you give my fish, she will eat with her hands. And she won't care what the other people are thinking.
No.
That's always a laugh for them.
Do you have feelings for her?
Absolutely. Yes.
Just like what you feel. You just like just like what you feel.
Yeah, I felt when they had a crush on a girl, they would insult the girl because they were too scared. They wouldn't know what to do. They just like they'd be mean to the girl because they liked her. I'm like, what?
And can you also ask me some of the date? I love you very much. I will make you life-size statue out of paper mache. And then I will try everything to get Enrique to sign it, and then put it in your room. So every time you're sad, just oh no! You promise, huh? Promise, I will try. And then the statue will be like this. So every time. And you can move the arms like that. I promise me. I will try if I figure it out.
Ang siyang nais mong makamtan, ngayon ay narito ako, handang umibig sa iyo. na walang katapusan. Dapat bang isipin walang hanggan? Asahan mo na kahit kailan di kita iiwan. Kahit kailan di kita papabayaan. Kahit kailan, kahit kailan.
Jagain mo pula rin. Yes, time. Chinela. Chinela, so. I did it to them. Try to finish one. No. Alam lang natin kung nasan tayo. So where's my mind, yo? I want to know that. Confession. Oh yeah, confession to the last 50 years. It's a narrative for you. Confession is doing something. Oh yeah.
Piling ba niya ikaw ay may lungkot na nararamdaman? Damdamin mo ba'y di maintindihan? At sa tuwing ako ang nasa iyong isipan, may nakita ka ba na ibang kasiyahan? Nandito lang ako, naghihintay sa'yo na mapansin ang aking damdamin na para lang sa'yo. Dahil ikaw ang sigaw ng puso ko, ikaw nasa isip ko. Ang nais ko ay malaman mo na ikaw ang tanging pangarap ng buhay. Pag-ibig ko sa'yo ibibigay. Ang nais ko ay malaman Sa piling ba niya ikaw ay may sakit na nararamdaman? Damdamin mo ba'y sinasaktan? At sa tuwing ako ang nasa iyong panaginip, na tayong dalawa'y masayang magkapiling, nandito lang ako, naghihintay sa'yo na mapansin ng aking damdamin na para lang sa'yo. Dahil ikaw ang sigaw ng puso ko, ikaw ang nasa isip ko, ang nais ko ay malaman mo na ikaw ang tanging pangarap ng buhay. Pag-ibig ko sa'yo'y ibibigay, ang nais ko ay malaman mo na mahal kita. Sana'y pagbigyan ang nadaramang ito, sana'y masabi mo na mahal mo rin ako. Dahil ikaw ang sigaw ng puso ko, ikaw ang nasa isip ko, ang nais ko ay malaman mo na ikaw ang tanging pangarap ng buhay. Pag-ibig ko sa'yo ibibigay, ang nais ko ay malaman mo na mahal kita. Ikaw ang sigaw ng puso, na mahal kita. Ikaw ang nasa isip, na mahal kita. Ikaw ang sigaw ng puso, na mahal kita. Ikaw ang nasa isip.
You don't think I'm gonna get a girlfriend? No, I'm proud of you. I'm proud of you, but you have to take it like blonde, then blue eyes.
He thinks I like, my sister and my mother will be laughing at me because the last 2 girls I've liked have been blonde, and they think I like blondes.
You love blondes.
I don't care.
If it comes,
If you don't care, so it's okay, Ma'am Ate Maymay.
Yeah. Hey, why is it funny? Is something wrong with my mind? No. Hey, why is it funny? Is something wrong with my mind? No, you just said.
Di ko na kaya pang ialihim, nasasaktan lang ako sa aking pag-iisa, hinahanap ka. Di ko kailangan ng kayamanan, puso mo ang tangi kong inaasam. Hindi ko kayang ikaw ay malayo, mawalay ka.
everybody, her personality manages to make everybody happy all the time. Sometimes during this house, that's something we really need. So, my, you're my first ball.
Bigyan ko ng 3 puntos ang taong ito. Parati siya andyan para sa akin.
Alam lang natin kung nasan tayo. Where's my mind young? I want to know that. Confession. Oh yeah, confession for the last 50 years. It's like a narrative for you. Better than hearing something. Oh yeah, it's better than
Sa tuwing tayo'y magkakalayo.
Wow.
I'm sorry, ano? Hi, so what's your name?
Edward.
Hi, Edward. I'm Marydale. My.
Okay, wait. Is my your full name? Marydale.
How about yours? What is your full name?
My full name is Edward Barber.
Magis na lamang ang kislap ng iyong mata. Kahit ano pa.
Sabi ko, tara na natin niya. Sabi niya, bakit iniwan mo? Sabi ko, no! Bakit? Sabi ko, himayin natin. Sabi niya, bakit iniwain pa? Sabi ko, hindi. Hindi. Ganito lang kita.
Lahat ay maiaalay.
Ma, you're coming back.
Kita, walang kailangan. Wala nang hahanapin pa. Basta't kasama kita.
Don't want to me. Haha, fake smile. So, ano?
Oh my back. Oh my back. What is this? A butt?
Sana ay ikaw.
Oh, that's... Bakit mo dinis ko? Hindi, ito na pula eh.
Dahil kung ika'y mawawala, pati lahat sa buhay ko'y maglalaho. Ngunit kapag kasama kita, lahat magagawa. Lahat ay maiaalay sa'yo. Basta't kasama kita, walang kailangan pa. Wala nang hanapin pa. Basta kasama kita. Basta't kasama kita, lahat magagawa. Lahat ay maiaalay sa'yo. Basta't kasama kita, walang kailangan pa. Wala nang hahanapin pa. Basta't kasama kita. Walang kailangan pa. Wala nang hahanapin pa. Basta't kasama kita. Beautiful girl, wherever you are, I knew when I saw you, you had opened the door. I knew that I'd love again after a long, long while. I'd love again. You said hello, and I turned to go, but something in your eyes left my heart beating so. I just knew that I'd love again after a long, long while. I'd love again. It was destiny's game, for when love finally came on, I rushed in line only to find that you were gone. Wherever you are, I fear that I might have lost you forever, like a song in the night. Now that I've loved again, after a long, long while, I've loved again. It was destiny's game, for when love finally came on, I rushed in line only to find that you were gone. Beautiful girl, I'll search on for you till all of your loveliness in my arms come true. You've made me love again after a long, long while. In love again, and I'm glad that it's you. Beautiful girl.
I'm sorry, ano. Hi, So, what's your name?
Edward.
Hi, Edward. I'm everyday. My.
Okay. Mai! Mai?
Sabi ko, tarahin mo na natin niya. Sabi niya, bakit hihiwain ko? Sabi ko, no! Bakit? Sabi ko, himay.
Where's the ball? Correct? We don't get to choose our partners.
Relax.
There are 7 men. Please representing one girl. And you choose, and I got my
Di magbabago. Maghihintay na lamang ba? Puso kong nangangamba sa iyong mga pangako.
Makeup on. Simple. Not too much.
Pangako.
Feeling mo yan?
Pangako.
Kaya, basta. Be brave ba?
Natin, sabi niya, bakit hihiwain pa? Already. Bingi, get mo lang ka.
You're coming back, right?
Mga pangako, pangako, maghihintay na lamang ba ang puso kong nangangamba sa iyong mga pangako? Pangako.
You take care of each other. If I have this, you have to do it to me, okay? Promise? Promise. Yeah. Thank you, guys.
Hey, you never know. I might be dating my mind.
Thank you.
Love you.
I love you.
Miss you.
Love you.
Be my lady, come to me and take my hand and be my lady. Truly I must let you know that I'm in love with you. All I want is you, how I need you. So please be my lady. Maybe you could lose the pain if you just tell me. Say the words you long to whisper that I want to hear. Something's on your mind, is it hidden in your smile? Be my lady, you're the one that I adore, so please believe me. I can never find the courage to resist your charm. Nothing's more divine than each moment you are mine. Be my lady. Just forget the past, it's time to mend your broken heart. No walls divide us now, so dry the tears in your eyes. Nothing can stop us now. I'll give you all I have. Be my lady. Let the sun shine through your heart and make a brand new start. Stay with me each night and day through the rest of my life. Just like a work of art, my love will last until forever. Just like a work of art, my love will last forever.
Magmula nang makilala ka, damdamin ko ay di mapalagay. Puso ko'y may kaba, umiibig na ba? Alam mo ba, sa panaginip ko, laging ikaw ang nakikita ko. Ano bang nasa sayo at napapaamo ako? Ikaw ang tanging dahilan kung kaya ang puso ko'y umiibig sa unang pagkakataon. Minsan na may nagtatanong, baka paghangal lang ang aking nararamdaman. Alam mo ba, nalulumbay ako kapag nag-iisa. Ang tanging hinahanap ko ay walang iba kundi ikaw, aking sinta. Ikaw ang tanging dahilan kung kaya ang puso ko'y umiibig sa unang pagkakataon. Minsan na may nagtatanong, baka paghangal lang ang aking nararamdaman. Ikaw ang tanging dahilan kung kaya ang puso ko'y umiibig sa unang pagkakataon.
Physically, are you attracted to her?
Yeah, she's very good. Inside and out.
What's the best thing about Maymay?
If you go to a fancy restaurant and you give my fish, she will eat with her hands, and she won't care what the other people are thinking. That's always a laugh with Mama.
Do you have feelings for her?
Depends on what way. Yes.
What do you think you're going to do about those feelings for her?
Not think about it too much and find out when God's will, you know. Who knows what could happen.
After this whole thing, this whole PBB experience, will you court her and pursue her?
I try not to think about things like that because I don't know where I'll be in 3 months from now. So that's the honest answer. I don't know.
That's true. Are you using Maymay?
No.
Naging close ka ba kay Maymay dahil nagkaroon ng Mayward?
No. I was friends with Maymay before I found out about that.
If you weren't paired with Maymay, you'd still be here?